Cocoa flavanols have garnered attention as a potential superfood due to their positive effects on heart and brain health. These naturally occurring compounds found in cocoa beans are a type of flavonoid, a class of compounds with antioxidant properties. Research into cocoa flavanols suggests they may offer several health benefits, particularly for cardiovascular and cognitive function. Heart health benefits 1. Improved blood flow. Cocoa flavanols have been shown to promote the production of nitric oxide in the blood vessels. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure and improve overall blood flow. This can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. 2. Reduced blood pressure. Several studies have demonstrated that regular consumption of cocoa flavanols can lead to modest reductions in blood pressure. This effect is particularly significant for individuals with hypertension. 3. Improved cholesterol levels. Cocoa flavanols may positively influence cholesterol levels by increasing HDL, good cholesterol, and reducing LDL, bad cholesterol oxidation, which is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis. Brain health benefits 1. Enhanced cognitive function. Cocoa flavanols have been linked to improvements in cognitive function, particularly in areas such as memory, attention, and processing speed. This is thought to be due to increased blood flow to the brain, which enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery. 2. Neuroprotection. The antioxidant properties of cocoa flavanols can help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 3. Mood enhancement. Some studies suggest that cocoa flavanols can also positively affect mood, potentially reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. This is likely due to their ability to increase blood flow to the brain and their role in the production of endorphins and serotonin. Limitations and considerations. While cocoa flavanols offer potential health benefits, it's important to consume them in moderation and be mindful of the source. Many commercial chocolate products are high in sugar and fat, which can counteract the benefits. The concentration of flavanols can also vary widely depending on how the cocoa is processed. Dark chocolate with a high cocoa content or specially produced cocoa supplements are better options for obtaining these beneficial compounds. Moreover, the exact dosage and long-term effects of cocoa flavanols are still areas of active research. While the current evidence is promising, it's essential to approach these findings with caution and consider cocoa flavanols as part of a balanced diet rather than a standalone solution. Let's dive deeper into some of the aspects of cocoa flavanols and their potential benefits. 1. Mechanism of action. A. Cardiovascular health. Nitric oxide production. One of the key mechanisms by which cocoa flavanols improve heart health is through their effect on nitric oxide, NO, production. NO is a crucial molecule in vascular health, promoting vasodilation, which helps to reduce blood pressure and improve circulation. Flavanols enhance the bioavailability of nitric oxide, thereby supporting endothelial function, the inner lining of blood vessels. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a significant risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Cocoa flavanols have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation, such as C-reactive protein, CRP, which further helps protect against heart disease. B. Cognitive function. Neurovascular coupling. Cocoa flavanols are believed to improve neurovascular coupling, which is the relationship between neuronal activity and cerebral blood flow. This improvement helps in optimizing the supply of oxygen and nutrients to active brain regions, thereby enhancing cognitive functions. Synaptic plasticity. Flavanols may also play a role in promoting synaptic plasticity, which is the ability of synapses, the connections between neurons, to strengthen or weaken over time in response to increases or decreases in their activity. This process is critical for learning and memory. 2. Research findings and studies. A. Cardiovascular studies. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming a flavanol-rich cocoa drink improved blood vessel function in healthy people and those with cardiovascular risk factors. Another research project, the Cosmos, Cocoa Supplement and Multivitamin Outcomes Study, is a large-scale clinical trial exploring the effects of cocoa flavanol supplements on cardiovascular health, including heart attack and stroke prevention. B. Cognitive studies. A study in the journal Hypertension demonstrated that older adults who consumed cocoa flavanols showed significant improvements in cognitive function, particularly in tasks involving memory and executive function. Research published in Nature Neuroscience found that high flavanol cocoa improved memory performance in older adults by increasing blood flow to the hippocampus, a brain region involved in memory formation. 3. Optimal consumption and sources. High flavanol cocoa products. Not all cocoa products are equal in flavanol content. Natural, less processed cocoa and dark chocolate with a high percentage of cocoa solids, 70% or more, tend to have higher levels of flavanols. Supplements. For those who want a more controlled intake of cocoa flavanols, there are supplements available that standardize the flavanol content. However, it's essential to choose supplements that are well-researched and come from reputable sources. Balance and moderation. While the benefits of cocoa flavanols are significant, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Overconsumption of chocolate, particularly varieties high in sugar and fat, can lead to weight gain and negate some of the positive effects on heart and brain health. 4. Potential side effects and considerations. Caffeine and theobromine content. Cocoa contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which can have stimulating effects. While these amounts are generally low, sensitive individuals may experience side effects such as jitteriness or sleep disturbances if consumed in large quantities. Allergies and sensitivities. Some people may be allergic or sensitive to cocoa or other ingredients in chocolate products. It's important to monitor for any adverse reactions. Interactions with medications. Cocoa flavanols may interact with certain medications, such as those for blood pressure or anticoagulants. If you're considering adding high doses of cocoa flavanols to your diet, it's wise to consult with a healthcare provider. 5. Future directions in research. Long-term studies. While short-term studies have shown promising results, more long-term research is needed to fully understand the effects of sustained cocoa flavanol consumption on heart and brain health. Individual responses. There is growing interest in how individual factors such as genetics, age, and baseline health status influence the effectiveness of cocoa flavanols. Personalized nutrition approaches may become more common as we learn more. Expanded benefits. Research is also exploring whether cocoa flavanols could benefit other areas of health such as skin health, immune function, and metabolic disorders like diabetes. Conclusion. Cocoa flavanols offer exciting possibilities for enhancing cardiovascular and cognitive health, supported by a growing body of scientific research. While they may not be a cure-all, incorporating them into a balanced diet could be a valuable strategy for improving overall well-being. As research continues, we may discover even more about the potential benefits of these powerful compounds.